Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, depending where you are. When you're watching. So, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Today, I want to vlog for you guys and take you with me, probably for today or this weekend. I'm not sure yet. So, I'm just going to attempt. The plan for today was until I was tired. When I woke up this morning, I wasn't feeling well, so I went straight back to sleep. So I'm feeling a little bit better. I said to myself that I was gonna work from home. I was gonna work out from home, but I'm not. I'm not trusting myself. I'm not. I'm just gonna. Since I said to myself, when I said I'm going to do something, especially for myself, I'm gonna come through. So I said last week I need to implement going back to the gym in my schedule and my routine. So this is what I'm going to do. But I wanted to do it early in the morning so I could come back here, do what I gotta do because I need to do laundry, I need to cook, I need to record. But listen, I wasn't feeling well. I was like, my stomach was hurting. Let me just lay there. And I lay there and I fell asleep and I woke up so late. So I was like, do I really want to go to the gym? And then I was like, yeah, just walk out from home. And then I was going to walk out from home. I was like, you know what? So I put my gym clothes on. You guys saw I put my gym clothes on. And I'm going to head to the gym. And I'm coming through for myself. 2023, I'm coming for myself all the way 100%. And so that's the plan for today. So that's that. So laundry is a question mark. So I'm gonna come back home and cook, clean a little bit, and then maybe record a video. Then I wanna go to I've been feeling like I want to go out and dance and listen to some live music, but my live music is jazz really, so I want to go to a jazz place. So yeah, we'll see. I'll take you guys with me. Maybe I will vlog for the entire weekend or for just today. But guys, I don't know if I want to make anything to eat or if I want to just eat. I know it's about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the gym with an empty stomach. That's that. So guys, I just got home from the gym. I think I spent more time than I wanted to spend more time. I am so hungry. I'm about to make something to eat and clean up this kitchen. This kitchen needs a major cleaning. So I have most of the things. I just don't have the flooring and the shelves for this area. I'm not changing the color of the cabinets because that's too much. So I'm starving. I think I'm gonna make a smoothie. Milk. This milk is the best milk. If you never use this, you need some date, some peanut butter, So good. All right, so let's go figure out why this thing is not. It makes no sense why this is not working, so I'm about to like figure it out. What's the problem? Hey, we're gonna go clean up before we start cooking. So I'm going to make some hairspray, which is gonna be so healthy. I'm sure you guys can go. I'm gonna post that video specifically for you guys. It should be up. Cloves. But guys, I'm making this soup right here. It's like a version of soup jumu, like Haitian soup jumu, but it's vegetable. There's no meat, there's nothing in there. So I have the jumu, which is the vegetable that you make it. I don't know if it's pumpkin, whatever you call it, but there's a different name for it. I'm gonna let this, I put seasoning in it already, radish, Brussels sprout. I'm just gonna let it done, and then it has shrimp, it has spinach, it has Chinese spinach, Chinese broccoli, then it has eggplant. So I'm gonna let this you know, I put the fire down a little bit and then let it cook really into like a legume kind of style, but it's not legume. And then I have this, I'm gonna put it in when it's almost done. That's about it. I don't think if I'm gonna be I don't think if I'll be eating, because I may drink some of the soup and that's it. I'm tired, so I'm just gonna go. As you guys saw, I made the thing so I could do my hair. So I guess this is it for tonight, for today. Today's Saturday night. I did not go to I did not go out, so my sister and I were gonna go to the jazz place tomorrow. Ticket, I think you have to buy the ticket. It's live jazz. I'll take you guys with me. I don't promise, I tend to get shy. But I'm just gonna go shower, guys, and do my hair, which is gonna be a video up with the spray refreshing, with the refreshing spray. And then I'm just gonna relax a little bit and I'm gonna go to bed. All right, so guys, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Today's the next day, which is Sunday. But the plan for today, which is like kind of throw things off, I'm just gonna get up to make breakfast and then edit some videos, and then later on I'm trying to get a ticket. Oh my god, those jazz places, they're crazy. They get booked so fast. I'm trying to get a ticket to go to a jazz place, but everything's sold out. I'm looking, for example, I'm looking right now, there's potential one that probably have any openings, and the openings are just like so sucks. And then it's expensive. That one is expensive. I'm looking at this one right here, which is the Smalls. Okay, the Smalls, and I'm looking at the Birdland, sold out for today. The Smalls sold out for today. And then I'm looking at what is this not showing me? Yeah, so that's that. I'm trying to get, I really want to do something, get dressed and go out. So put a pants underneath it, guys. I'll show you how it looks like without the pants. Those pants like this. There's like a whole dress. See, like that. So hi guys, yes, I just got ready. I'm actually heading out to, oh my gosh, I'm actually heading out to the jazz place. So I am in a rush, but yeah, I'll take you there. Let's go. Hey guys, we just made it. We're in the city, so we're about to get to the place. I can hear the jazz playing. So we get in there. This is the
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Hello, yes.
What's the name?
Kanitha.
Movie called The Shadow of Your Smile. So please join us with The Shadow of Your Smile. And if you're interested in having us and your
This is it. I'm about to wash the makeup of my face, and then I think I'm gonna, it's about 12:30, so I don't know if I'm gonna Actually, I have mess in the kitchen. I need to go clean the kitchen a little bit. New York is such a lively place. There's always something going on that I see why people just overpopulate New York. But I love New York. I think I'm ready to deuces. I got enough of New York. I want space. I want a house. I want all of it. Okay? But I love New York. New York's make you feel alive, young, youthful, joyful, rich, and all that. But New York can be a headache. But guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments. Like I always say, have a joyful, peaceful, wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Bye now.